Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is your science session of grade 2. Today we are going to continue the chapter water on page number 86. Okay. As we know that water is very necessary or essential for our life. We cannot survive without water. Okay. Now, importance of saving water. Okay, what is the importance of saving water? Okay, things that are available in nature are called natural resources. Okay, the things we get naturally, they are called natural resources. Water is an important natural resource. Okay, water is an important natural resource. The usable water on earth is very limited. Okay, so hence it is very precious and should be saved and stored. So water is very precious and we should be saved and store it. Okay, turn off the tap when not required. We should turn off the tap when it's not required. How? For example, when we are going to brush our teeth, we should turn off the tap when we brushing the teeth. Okay, when we brush our teeth, we should turn off the tap. Okay, because on that time water is not required now. Use a bucket of bath to bath and avoid using the bathtubs. In our houses somewhere we have a bathtub, so we should avoid to use it. We have to use buckets to take bath. Okay, repair a dripping tap or to avoid water wastage. When our taps are dripping, okay, so we have to repair that tap. Okay, because to save the water, to avoid wastage of water. Store rainwater in a tank or container to be used later for activities like washing and watering plant. How we use rainwater at home, because we cannot make dams at homes. It's not possible. So how we save rainwater at home? We should we in tank or containers or cans, or we can save water in cans. Okay, and we use that water later in washing or planting or water plants or watering plants. Okay, for plants, or we use that water for washing like utensils or clothes. Okay, washing your utensils or washing clothes. Okay, the water cycle. The earth has a limited amount of water. The water keep going around in a cycle. Okay, something going again and again is called water cycle. Okay, oh, something is going again and again is called cycle, and right now we are talking about water cycle. Okay, the earth has a limited amount of water and the water is going to keep around like a cycle, so it's in a cycle form. This is called the water cycle, which continue and repeat itself. Water cycle is continue and repeat by itself, by naturally. Okay, the water cycle has four main parts. How many main parts it has four main parts. Number one, evaporation. What is evaporation? Heat from the sun evaporates the water from lakes, ponds and rivers, which led to the formation of water vapors. Okay, the heat from the sun, okay, it evaporates the water is going upwards. Okay, the water going upward. When we wash our clothes and we put it outside for dry in the sunlight, the sun absorb or evaporate that water. Okay, so evaporation. Okay, number two, condensation. Water vapor raised up in the sky cools down and turn into a small droplets of water to form clouds. Okay, so water vapor raise up in the sky, and they when they cool down, they become a water droplet. They become water droplets. When water small water droplets. Okay, and water droplets, what they form clouds. The tiny water droplets join together to form large and heavy water droplets. Okay, when small droplets join together, so they form clouds. Okay, and they become heavy water droplets. Precipitation. When the water droplets get heavy enough, they fall to the ground as rain or snow. When the water droplets become very heavy, or the clouds are become big, so they fall to the ground in the form of rain or snow. Collection. Water falling down collects in water bodies. This water can be collected and stored for our uses. Okay. So the water falling so water falling down collect in water bodies. This water can be also protected and stored for our use. Okay, in the form of rain. Okay, and collect the water in dams when we require dams. That water can be supplied or will be supplied to our homes. Okay, so this is called water cycle. Okay, now activity zone, moving water. Okay, what we need two glasses. One glass is filled with water and other glass without water. It's empty glass. Okay, we need some food color and we need some paper towels. Paper towel means kitchen napkins. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to fill a glass, one glass full of water and one glass remain empty. Keep empty. Stir, add some color, add some food, add some color in water and stir it. Okay, take a paper towel and twist it in the form of a rope and put one end of that paper towel in the water and another end to the empty glass. Okay, after a while you can observe what will happen. You can observe that towel rope start getting wet and colored. Okay, the paper towel is going to become wet and and colored. Okay, after a few minutes you will notice that the empty glass start filling up with the watercolor and the empty glasses start filling with the color with water. See, in this experiment they show you. Okay, two glasses, they put paper towel, one and in the water, one and in the empty glass. After few minutes, what will happen, the water is shifted in the empty glass and the paper towel get wet and it's a colored water. Okay, for today till here. See, we continue this lesson in the next class. Allah Hafiz.